Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Here we are again and we're going to be working on our Trike conversion, which we have made out of a Chinese children's quad bike and a Rotavator. We've got the Rotavator engine installed on the bike. We've got a CVT torque converter installed on the other side powering it. In the last episode we got it all working, it's all running, it's all working as it should. Well, pretty much. Wanted to make sure it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. But now for the really exciting stuff, which is we are going to turn it into a trike. So what we're going to do, I found a wheel and tyre, and this is it. Yes, it's brand new. This is supposed to be a scrap challenge, you say. But, so, why? What? Why have we got a wheel like this? It's brand new. It's still got its hairy bits on the outside. Why do we want a hairy tyre? Because this has been sat in our parts department for about 5 years and it was supplied to us incorrectly by the manufacturer. They never picked it up after the credit. So I thought, why the hell not? Let's stick it on this one. It's got cleats on it. It's got chunky tyres. It doesn't need grip, but I think that's going to look pretty cool on the front of there. It's got a really big hole in the middle. Do we like big holes in the middle? We don't need a big hole in the middle. We probably want like a 25mm shaft or 20mm. 20mm will be really perfect. So we're probably going to have to use the lathe to make up some bushes and bearings and bits and pieces to go in there to make sure everything all fits. So we'll have to look at that later on. But first of all, we are going to rip the front end apart. We're going to take off the wheels and the handlebars and all of that and try and work out what we need to leave behind and what we need to add on to get this to work as a trike. So we're going to then have to make a fork system. It's going to be pretty agricultural, I reckon, but that'll be the fun bit. And then for the back of the bike, we are going to make some cool sheet metal folded fenders, mudguards, whatever you want to call them, for the back, so that we'll be able to, well, not get covered in mud when we're driving it down on our test track, when Randy Racer takes it round to see how fast it goes. But that's all to come, so stay tuned, have a bit of a build montage, and enjoy yourself. smooth. Happy with that? Like I said, it's very agricultural, but it's going to do a job, and it's going to do one job only. We're not putting this in production, but I quite like it. It's nice. Right, let's weld the rest. Precision engineering. We love a bit of precision. I bet there's loads of engineers out there. If they're watching this, they're just gonna cringe. Oh, it's beautiful. Holy sugar shoes. No one would think you'd done that. Look at that. I learned how to weld since this morning. Probably a bit of sexy welding. Well, it's like, I say sexy, but it's a nice bit of just ebbing and flowing, and I ground off the splatter. I haven't got away from that bit yet. That's right, please, set forks. Washer over there for that tube to sit on. Next job, big washer, a big fat washer. Let's do that. Right guys, we have our front forks on our trike. They're a little bit agricultural, like I said before, but it's all there, it works. They go from left, they go to right, or the other way around. They work, it's good. I've been out and had a little test ride this morning because last night I came in off camera and just done all the strengthening bits up and got all those bits sorted. So I'm really happy with how it's turned out and it works in going forwards. When you pull it backwards in reverse, it doesn't really go, it just goes in a straight line, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't have a reverse anyway, so it's fine. We'll just lift it around. But the good news is, it's just started snowing. So I thought, you know what? Let's go down and have a play. We've got to have a play. So let's get it outside and have a go in the snow. I say snow, it's white. It's not snow, it's like, it's nothing, but it's a bit of a treat for us to see any white stuff. So we call it snow. Most of you would call it, you know, a gentle breeze. But there we are. We're gonna go outside. Let's do it! So we might have caught the seat on fire a bit. Minor detail. It'd be fine. Back on there. There we go. So there we are, guys. I'm out of breath. That was good fun. I can certainly see why on motorbikes the wheels aren't flat on the top. They're like rounded. It helps the cornering, I found out. Never mind, it still looks cool. It still does what I want to do. A little bit unstable. It's fine. Did I fall off? No. Am I still alive? Yes, it's great, but we've got a lot more to do. But for the next bit, I said I was going to do the old fenders, wheel arches thingies on it. I'm going to put one on the front as well, and I'm going to do the back ones. I'm going to do that off camera, and we're going to put it round our test track in the next episode. So you're going to have to stay tuned. You're going to have to wait until the next one, because Randy Racer will be taking it round our test track. There's still a bit more throttle up in here. I took on a bit of a straight run just now, and there's still more there. This old throttle here isn't quite getting everything out of it. The forks I'm well happy with. They are bang on, bob on, love them, they're great. The thing I don't like is how I've joined the handlebars on at the top, so I'm going to alter that. At the moment I've just got one bolt going through there into a bit of scaffold pipe, yep, scaffold pipe, you know, it wouldn't be right if we didn't use a bit of scaffold pipe from our neighbours. So there we are, it's on there. But I need to expand that bit at the top. I need to make that better. It's a little bit. When you're riding it, you don't really notice it, but it's just going all over the place. I'm going to sort that out. That's one thing I'm going to do. Brakes work perfectly. Should I put the muffler on the exhaust, the silencer, whatever you want to call it? I like the way it sounds. I think it sounds pretty cool, so I'm probably not going to do that. But I've got to get some more out of that throttle. The throttle is just bodged together at the moment, as I have from the beginning. But you know, I'm getting probably 15, 20 mile an hour of it on the flat, which is pretty cool. Happy with that. We'll find out how fast it goes eventually as well. But guys, I'm going to ask you to do a massive favour subscribing to this YouTube channel, because we have got lots more cool stuff to come. And like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, all of that jazz, even on TikTok. We're on TikTok now. There's going to be a clip of this one of me in the snow on TikTok, so please find us. It's Hayes Machinery, so don't forget that. Have a look on there. We've got lots more to come, guys. Please subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Check out some of our other videos. They're awesome. We love it. Cheers, guys.